Look, rhubarb. This rhubarb is from my friends Bill and Maggie. It grew in their garden and Bill picked it for me yesterday. And I've just given it a good wash. And now I'm going to chop the ends off. I'm a grown-up, so I can use this knife safely. And the other ends. And peel that off. And now I'm going to chop up this rhubarb and I'm going to stew it in my saucepan. Rhubarb. Rhubarb. What's the first sound you can hear in rhubarb? Rhubarb. Can you hear the r sound? Let's spell that r sound. R for rhubarb. R is a stick first letter. So I'm going to use this bit of rhubarb for my stick. R. R. R for rhubarb. It's a long stretchy sound. R.